How much? Dan is absolutely cream crackered. He's laying on the floor just a minute ago. Don't want anyone to talk to him. We've got the sun coming in. It's not the best location for us at the moment. Well, I'm not in the best location. The sun will change. There you are, bread rolls. Dan is having an issue with his four-wheel drive, and we've just happened upon this garage, which is absolutely full of Ford Rangers. So I don't think that's bad place to bring it, to be fair.
So I just left my Ford Ranger at the garage. It's actually quite a posh garage, wasn't it? Yeah. It was quite nice. I went there and I asked them if they could get my truck out of 4x4 high mode, which it's currently in, and they said, yeah, no problem. Gary said jump in with him, GERfusion said jump in with him, and I did. And now we're off to the waterfall.
They did say they'd have a look. They said hopefully they'll be able to do it.
Yeah.
And hopefully by the end of today
it'll be done. Yeah.
We stopped in B&M, got myself a new airbed as well, so that's good. So we're on our way to the waterfall. It's going to be good, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm looking forward to this actually. It's nice to have you in the wagon with me again.
It's all good.
You'll have to take me out.
We just explored this beautiful waterfall, but our next destination is a place called, don't mark me wrong, but it's, how I spell it is Dinas Rock. So, Dinas Rock, I don't know how to spell it, but we're going there, it looks really nice, and I'm sure you'll see the footage.
We're going the right way. Wow. Wow.
How much?
Oh, 70 quid.
70 quid?
Yeah,
We have stopped in our little campsite. It's right on a river, it's really nice actually. So the cars have just pulled up over here. Dan is absolutely cream crackered. He was laying on the floor just a minute ago. Didn't want anyone to talk to him. So there's his little mat down there. Yeah, I'm going to get some dinner on because I am starving. We haven't even eaten today since breakfast. So I'm going to make a little creation for you if you want to stay tuned. Hello sports fans, sorry about the sun coming in. It's not in the best location for us at the moment. Well, I'm not in the best location, the sun never changes. But so I'm going to try something a little bit different. So in my last videos, if you've watched, I've been eating a lot of game food and big steaks and meat. So I'm doing something for the vegans and the vegetarians out there. And I'm going for a soup. So this is completely vegan friendly. Hopefully it come out all right. You're supposed to blend it at the end. So I haven't got a blender, all I've got is a potato smasher. So we'll see how it comes on, but hopefully it'll be okay. The only thing that isn't vegan is I have got a bit of cheese and some bread and butter for us. So I'm going to try and do something with that. I don't tell my missus, she never watches these anyway, but I've stolen her favourite cooking pot because mine wasn't big enough. So let's crack on. Right, so what we need is carrot, sweet potato. This is like the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen. I'm not going to use all of that. Pepper and a red onion. Because there's not very many of us and the pot's not very big, I'm only going to do half of everything. You'd also need some plum tomatoes and some coconut milk, which is going to be interesting because I haven't got a tin opener, so we'll see about that in a minute. So I'm no chef and this isn't a proper knife, so I'm just going to butcher these till they look half decent. Right, let's add them to the boil. I hope this pot's big enough. I moved it down here for a minute. Put in two vegetable stock cubes. I couldn't find garlic, so I've got garlic pepper. Some mixed herbs. And some salt. Going to add me chopped tomatoes. Right, I've mashed that up as best I can. Unfortunately it's not a blender, but that's about as fine as I can get it, I think. Now to add my coconut milk. Get some of that in there. Oh, lovely. Plop that in there, and then I'm going to pop that back on the heat. Let that simmer. I think I'm just going to have to burn my hands for this, but it's looking nice. Right, so it's finally done. So I've just got the boys some bread with butter, got some cheese if they want it. Right, here we go, boys.
Thank you.
For you.
Thank you very much.
It's hot.
Thank you.
It's hot.
Oh,
Here are bread rolls.
Oh my god.
And I did try to put cheese on it, but enjoy. Right, sports fans, I am in bed. That is the end of today's adventure. So no lanes today, just a little bit of touristy action. But tomorrow we are going to hit some lanes. I'm really looking forward to that. Let's have a little look round in here. Look, you can't see much. I do apologise. I'm using my phone as a light because I forgot to dig out my actual light, and I can't bother to go and find it. But down here, I've got the world's loudest fan. It's Dan. I'm trying to scare him. Look at this. I don't even know if you can see that. Here it is there, look. Oh yeah, I'm just loving life. Oh, Dan's being annoying. What? So are sports fans, no night. Well, look at your trailer. That's not half a safe load, is it? This just smashed into the side of his car, nearly ran him off the road. It smashed the glass, hitting Dan in the face. It's cut all of his round his ear. Thanks for watching, sports fans. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And while you're here, why don't you check out some of my other videos?